You've been grinding push-ups every single day, building that chest, flexing those biceps in the mirror. But then you put on shorts, and what is that? You look like a walking Wi-Fi signal. Massive and wide at the top, completely weak and pathetic at the bottom. Seriously, you look like a poorly drawn alien, sending distress signals back to the mothership because your legs are so fragile. It is an absolute joke. Listen up, rookie. In this video, I am giving you the ultimate at-home leg workout to build absolute tree trunk legs. We are doing 4 main exercises today, but hear me right now. Doing them is not enough. You must do them with perfect form. Perfect form is the only thing that builds muscle. Stop rushing, pay attention. Move number 1, the king of all leg exercises, the squat. This destroys your quads and builds raw pushing power. Plant your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Point your toes out. Now, keep your chest up and drop your hips back. Do not just drop down and collapse like a greedy child diving for dropped candy. Control the movement. If basic bodyweight squats are too easy, put that heavy backpack on your back or hold your dumbbells tight against your chest. Hit 4 sets of 15 to 20 slow, deep, burning reps. Move number 2, the hamstrings. Most of you guys only care about the muscles you can see in the mirror. That is a massive rookie mistake. We're doing the Romanian deadlift. Grab your heavy backpack or your dumbbells. Keep a slight bend in your knees. Now, hinge your hips straight backward. Do not round your spine. You look like a scared rounded cat. Keep your back rigid and flat. You should feel a massive, deep stretch in the back of your legs.
Avoid this posture during the exercise.
Explode back up and violently squeeze your glutes. 4 sets of 15 reps. Make those hamstrings scream. Move number 3, the glutes. Weak glutes cause terrible posture and serious lower back pain. You walk around looking like a melted candle. Get on the floor for glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and plant your feet flat on the ground.
Control the movement down.
Now drive through your heels and thrust your hips straight up to the ceiling. Hold the top for a full 2 seconds. Stop wiggling around on the floor like a dying fish. Squeeze your glutes at the top like you were trying to crack a solid walnut. If that is too easy, lift one leg straight in the air and do single leg glute bridges. That will absolutely humble your ego. Do 4 sets of 15 reps per leg. Move number 4, the calves. Stop blaming your genetics for your tiny calves when you don't even train them. Find a stair, a thick book, or a sturdy box. Stand on the edge with just your toes. Drop your heels all the way down toward the floor until you feel a deep, burning stretch in your lower legs. Then explode up onto your tiptoes. Hold the top for a full second. Control the way down. Do not bounce around like a startled kangaroo. Bouncing is cheating. Grab a heavy water bottle in each hand for extra weight. Hit 4 sets of 25 burning reps. But here's the final brutal truth. You can do this perfect routine until you collapse, but if your lifestyle is garbage, it is totally useless. You train hard and then eat like an unsupervised toddler at a pizza party. Cake, junk food, sugar, stop it. Eat real protein to rebuild the muscle, healthy carbs and good fats. Eat clean. And your sleep is pathetic. If you sleep like a caffeinated squirrel scrolling your phone until 3 a.m., your legs will stay tiny. Get your 8 hours of sleep.